Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 75 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400. You can see the Formula hood. There's some stress cracks right there because I believe they put too tall of an air cleaner on it and it cracked that. So that's about the spot where it's at. Nose piece all in good shape. Really not many flaws in this. Anything you see here is just some specks, some stuff coming out of the air. The elevator next to us is there. You see, you got some rock chips that have been touched up right there. But you can see it's got great shine on the paint, reflection of that building and the trees. So interior's in good shape. Front and rear seats match. Dash is good. Door panels are in pretty good shape. And the door is actually shut pretty good. Oh, you can see that's pretty common, that chip right there on them when the doors get sagging. So I see a little stress cracking on this back here on this spoiler. But the motor number matches, so matching number 400 in it. And then here's some touch up right here too. So looks like maybe some mud been in that quarter at one time. Something's cracking right there. We try to show you everything we can. Like I said, nice paint job. This is an above average driver quality car, I would call it. Just very, very nice car. Runs and drives good, sounds good. Like I said, doors shut as good as any of these big long doored GM 70s cars. So definitely a very, very nice car. Definitely one you'd be proud to own and take on some cruise nights or whatever. So any questions? 605-695-7391.